Hey guys, I'm back again just for a real quickie here. I mentioned at the end of part 3 on this brake project, I had the feeling I wanted some sort of stop for the brake lever so I don't take it to the absolute max, which makes a rather abrupt stop. So raided the scrap box again. Piece of 1.25 inches by 1/4, which I've marked up. I'm going to cut it off there and just profile the edge a little bit. Then we got this little piece of, oh gosh, never remember the size. Got this scrappy little piece of 5/8 round. I've marked that up to cut off, pop it in the lathe, clean it up. Drill here to suit the bolt that's already holding the bracket for the lever, and then place this. We'll bore this and thread it, both ends actually, and we'll drill a hole here, put that on, bolt from underneath, bolt in the top with a lock nut, and that should give us some sort of adjustable stop. Again, down and dirty, just whatever might work. Faced off one end of that piece of round, I'm just tapping this, which should be the bottom end, just using a bottoming tap to give me a clearance for the screw, the bolt, which I'm just using a convenient countersunk. That's got far enough down there. And the that should be all ready to take that countersunk bolt. So we'll do the other end, face it off. And we'll tap that M8 by 125 to suit the, you can't see it on the video, the bolt that's holding the bracket for the brake lever. Now the other side, face that off, bit of a chamfer, just putting a bottoming tap down. I haven't gone all that deep on this one, just it's only got to be enough to take the spacing bolt. I think we're just about there. Yep, I think it'll do. It's adequate, I should think. I'll just check that to see if we're good to go. Alright, fine. Now we'll try and put things together. Right, just to finish real quick, there it is. Very much on the fly again. Use the bits. That, at the moment, is just short of max, which means it slows down, but it doesn't go crazy, and avoids the sort of final jolt that I was getting. So that's not too bad. So I may adjust that a bit more. As it stands, it's basically doing what I want. It gives me a little bit of extra control. So there you are, a little addendum to part 3. Thanks for watching.